Hello, boys and girls. We are going to start day 3. I'm so excited of our story of Pink Dolphin of the Amazon. I hope you are enjoying the story so far. And we have been covering our 2 prefixes this week. We have finished up with aqua, and I know that it has been a little bit different for you. Some of our words have been unfamiliar, but I hope you've enjoyed learning some new definitions and increasing that fabulous brain power that we have. And so we're going to move on to our next prefix, which is dict, which you have heard before in many of our words. And so let's take a look at this. What does that prefix mean? Okay. And it can be a prefix, and it is going to appear as a suffix in one of our words, which means it's going to be at the what? Let me hear you. Absolutely. Suffix means it's going to be at the end of our word. So we are going to continue thinking about those Legos and how we can blend them and click them together to make sure that they fit and form new words that we can associate with so that we can not only learn how to spell them, but we learn the meaning. And when we get to them as we are reading, then we can learn and gain more knowledge and build more brain power, which is our ultimate goal. All right, so let's take a look. We know that our Latin root for this prefix dict is tell. Okay, so when you see this and when you're picking apart a word, you see this prefix or it is a suffix, you are going to automatically think, I want you to see it and know, hey, Miss McCory taught me that that means tell. Okay, so now I put it over here because you have the spelling word this week of predict. Okay, and it's going to come as a suffix in this word. Pre is your prefix. You know, pre means before. Okay, so dict means to tell. So predict 2 Lego pieces, snap them together. Your blended meaning means to tell what would happen beforehand. That means you're going to be telling something before it happens. You're going to predict it. Okay? If you're a meteorologist, you're going to be predicting the weather. You're going to give a 7-day forecast. You're making a prediction. James Spann does that for us every week and every day as our weather changes. All right? See how we can expand our knowledge across the different subject areas? Good job. All right, so stay with me here. Let's take a look at our right-hand column. We have our word parts again. We have dict as our prefix, and we have tate. So we have dictate. All right, I have to look up my word parts. I have to look up the words to make sure that what I'm blending, I've told you to keep that dictionary handy. It's not a problem to use. So dictate can mean to do. A word meaning our word meaning is going to be to describe or tell someone what to do. If I'm dictating orders, if I'm dictating directions, then I'm dictating. I'm telling you what to do. I'm telling you to study your spelling words every day for 15 minutes. Practice your spelling words. I'm dictating orders. I'm dictating the directions. Okay? Let's move on to our next set, our next word. I have dictator. Okay? This has to do with social studies, and you'll learn this more throughout as you study history. A dictator, and our word meaning, is a person with total power, a total power over government. There's not voting. They make all the rules in government. They make the laws, they tell and govern their people and tell them what to do. what the laws are going to be. That's a dictator, person with total power. Okay? And then finally, our last spelling word. I know you're so sad to see it come to an end here, but dictionary. Okay, that sounds kind of funny to say, but a dictionary. You're all familiar with this because I tell you every week to grab your dictionary or your computer and use your computer and your dictionary repeatedly. Word meaning, when I click my Legos together, dictionary, it's a book or it can be your technology device that lists the meanings of words. We use this so much. All right, well, that's going to wrap us up for this lesson. I am so proud of you. We have conquered this in a very easy 3 days. I want you to study. I want you to do your best. I want you to keep connecting those Legos, and I will see you soon for some more decoding skills. Great job. I'm proud of you. See you soon. Bye-bye.